Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Shopify for SaaS Storefront Launch, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Shopify for your SaaS Storefront Launch, begin by navigating to the Shopify website. On the homepage, locate the Start Free Trial button and click on it. You will be prompted to enter an email address. Choose a valid email that you have access to and input it carefully. Next, create a strong password that meets Shopify's security requirements. After that, fill in the name of your store in the designated field. Ensure the name reflects your brand identity and resonates with your target audience. Click on the Create Your Store button to proceed. Once your store is created, you will be directed to a guided setup process. Fill in your personal information, including your name and address. This information is necessary for billing and shipping purposes. Now, specify whether you're just starting out or already selling your products. Select the option that best describes your current status. After this, you will receive prompts regarding your business goals. Answer the questions to help Shopify customize your experience. At this point, you may be asked about your current revenue and sales channels. Input any relevant details to set up your store effectively. After completing the setup questions, you'll be directed to the Shopify dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its layout and features. Next, customize your store by selecting a theme that aligns with your vision. Access the online store section in the sidebar to browse available themes. Preview different themes and select one that suits your brand aesthetic. Once you're satisfied, click on the Publish button to make your theme live. Now, it's time to set up your products. Go to the Products tab and click on Add Product. Fill out the product details including name, description, price, and images. Be sure to optimize your product descriptions for search engines. After adding products, set up payment options in the Settings tab. Choose the payment providers you want to use for transactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.